While both shoe lasts and shoe components are fairly easy to find these days, matching sets are not. But this is an area where 3D Shoemaker excels. Whether you are looking for software to design matching components, 3D models you can print, or just want physical shoe lasts and matching components shipped to you, 3D Shoemaker has a solution for you. Keep watching to find out more. As far as what types of components are currently available on 3D Shoemaker, these are wedges, platforms, and heels. Soles will be coming soon. You'll find the various components available by clicking on the Designs menu and choosing Components. Then, when you click on a design you are interested in, you will be taken to the product page. Every component has a description providing basic information like the default size and heel height, as well as the shoe last it was originally designed for, and a 3D model viewer. And there is an ordering form with 4 different order types. The first type is a 3D model. This order type is for those wishing to receive a 3D model for 3D printing. It is highly customizable and will be emailed to you after the stated lead time. The second is 3D print. This is similar to the first one, except it is 3D printed for you and shipped to you after the stated lead time. Next is the parametric 3D model. This is a fully parametric digital file available for immediate download that can be used in the 3D Shoemaker plugin for Rhinoceros 3D. The fourth and final option is the static 3D model. This is a simple 3D model of the default size available for immediate download that can be used in most CAD and slicing softwares. If you chose the option for a 3D model or a 3D print, then you are given the choice of what shoe last you want your component to match. This can either be the default shoe last the component was originally designed for, or it can be another shoe last that you are ordering. If it's for the default shoe last, you need to select the size you want, and you can also make some design adjustments. If it's for another shoe last, then you are provided a text box to let us know what shoe last you are trying to match, whether it is for the current order or previous order. Regardless of whether you select the default shoe last for the design or another one, another thing you can customize is the surface offsets. Depending on the thickness of the coverings and upper materials for your shoe, you can ensure a flush finish between the shoe and component by using these inputs. Stay tuned for a tutorial with tips on 3D printing shoe components. That's all for this 3D Shoemaker update. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.